Welcome to the Nativ presentation. This presentation will be broken into 3 sections: who we are, what market we work in, and our product, MioEverywhere. We are a leading media technology company. We specialize in end-to-end media management. MioEverywhere is a software solution that drives our platform. The 3 core products are Mio Cloud, Mio On-Premise, and Managed Services. We have offices in Europe, Asia, and looking to expand our growth in America. We help you lower your operating costs and increase audience reach. We have clients in the broadcast, production, and brand space, from ITV, the largest and most successful commercial production company in the UK, to premium car brands such as Audi and Bentley. Over the years, we have been integrating our platform with industry-leading technology partners in the cloud, QC, CDN, storage, and transcoding space. So what markets do we operate in? The concept of a media logistics platform was coined by industry experts Ovum, and it references a new breed of configurable cloud platforms. Most of today's media asset management systems are on-premise, monolithic, and non-scalable. The media logistics platform replaces traditional MAM and offers an end-to-end multi-platform approach. Mio can integrate with all your existing infrastructure. It can also deliver content to any platform. Traditional MAMs are not set up like that. Media logistics platforms focus on seamless media and data continuity, from creation to consumption. If you want to monetize your content in today's world, you have to capture and manage the data along the supply chain to provide an end-to-end data continuity. They help you deliver great profits through increased automation, less manual labor, and providing greater visibility. The media logistics platform exploits new consumer technology-driven models. File-based workflows, which remove the inconvenience of tape. Mio is a cloud-based platform. Cloud has become commoditized and therefore more cost-effective, so we're taking advantage of that trend. The latest technologies such as HTML5, which is enabling much smarter video playback. Mio can be accessed from all major mobile platforms, and in the very near future, we'll be releasing our very own apps. Big data and analytics. The volume and variety of data available is growing. Mio is built to accommodate those demands. The story here is that Mio is built on and continues to adopt the latest technology. We're unlike many MAM and DAM systems which simply stagnate. So what's created the need for change? The growth of multi-platform markets. Consumers choose what they want to watch and when. The adoption of new technologies. File-based film, cheaper storage, increased bandwidth, and cloud technologies. The increasing complexity of media management. Different file formats, globalized editing facilities, different production journeys, which may need to change on a regular basis, and delivered to a huge variety of distribution platforms and metadata demands. The MLP market is real and growing. The total addressable market in premium media is forecast to grow to £400 million by 2018. This is driven by the growth of personalised multi-screen services. The total addressable market in brands is forecast to be worth £500 million by 2018. This is driven by the realisation that video is an essential building block for the digital customer experience. So let's talk about our product, MioEverywhere. What is MioEverywhere? We describe it as a next-generation media logistics platform, mission control for your media logistics, and it comes with some key overarching features. It's an end-to-end platform. Mio has the ability to manage each step of the media logistics journey. It's a platform which manages your media and data from creation to consumption. It's completely file-based. which brings advantages such as reducing time to market and increasing operational efficiency. It's cloud-based, which means it's accessible by any authorized user, anywhere in the world, at any time. It's a customizable platform. We understand that no company operates in the same way. Every element of Mio, the whole platform, workflow, metadata, transcode, is flexible, allowing you to build Mio around your company and not the other way around. Rich API. As your media travels this end-to-end journey, it may need to visit any number of third-party services, transcoders, QC applications, for example. Mio is a pluggable product, so you can capitalize on existing infrastructure. Not only can it integrate with a raft of existing services, but also has an extremely powerful API that allows you to build and plug your own creative tools, web apps, and reporting systems. Scalable and cost-effective. Mio can flex as your business requires. It's been designed to scale up and back down very easily and is available in our private cloud with zero capex. So the core functions of MioEverywhere are production integration, remote ingest, asset management, workflow orchestration, and delivery and syndication. Each of the 5 core functions mentioned have both reporting and tracking capabilities. For Mio to be a truly end-to-end platform, it's key that Mio can integrate with the production process as early as possible. This is where the metadata and the workflow lifecycle starts. That's why production integration is so important with the end-to-end data continuity. Mio allows you to exchange metadata and assets through creative tools such as Adobe Prelude and Premiere. Mio has a plugin that appears as a panel as shown in the top left-hand corner of the screen. This panel is populated with a form as predefined by Mio that allows a user to enter specific data against each asset. This data is then synced with Mio, ensuring the metadata entered is centrally stored without the user needing to access Mio. They will continue with their daily tasks as usual, providing a seamless user experience. Today's industry requires your content to be sourced from a variety of locations, both geographically and organisationally. What's important is that you can get your content onto your workflow as easily and efficiently as possible. That is why MioEverywhere offers a fully integrated file ingest tool in the form of the Desktop Transfer Agent. It's a downloadable application from Mio. It can extract technical metadata, pre-validate the file format to ensure it complies with a predefined standard, and it utilises file acceleration technology, increasing the speed of transfer. Mio also has a web transfer agent, which is an HTML5 browser-based option accessible via a secure URL. It's handy when you are working remotely and you don't have the desktop agent installed. Mio has configurable folders where the user can define a location for the file to be uploaded. This location can be assigned a specific workflow, validation rule, or metadata requirements. Mio is a media logistics platform, meaning it manages your content from creation through to delivery. It goes well beyond asset management, but asset management remains a key function. You need to be able to view, search, and access your assets. Naturally, Mio provides a functionality with advanced search both against user-defined data or technical metadata. Mio provides the ability to review and approve any asset on a standalone basis or as part of a workflow. The physical assets can be stored in multiple locations, from a drive on your desktop to cloud storage such as Amazon S3. Mio can store and index millions of assets in multiple formats. On the screen, you can see an example of a search with results displayed. When you have a growing database of information, it is important to model how this data looks and meets your needs as a business. In an example of post-production, it is vital the right asset is available for the right people without complication. Mio provides you the ability to design the metadata that you require. This can be designed on the Mio UI with little technical knowledge. Beyond metadata, It models wider business concerns such as productions, versions, rights, and billing. The example on the left demonstrates how we have extended Mio's metadata functionality so it can be modeled around a business. In this example, the data is modeled around a production, series, and episode structure associated to a set of assets. With a large amount of data accessible by multiple users, it is vital to keep track of activity and enforce data continuity. Mio records every change down to a field level. This means you will have the visibility of the data before and after a change, along with who and when. We have talked about how Mio can be the backbone of the media logistics process, and workflow orchestration is really where this comes into its own. The Workflow Designer allows you to not only build your own workflow, but also track the progress of your assets as it passes through the workflow. This is a picture of the Workflow Designer. The Workflow Designer is where you build your workflow. The left-hand side of the Workflow Designer displays the tools required to build a workflow. The right-hand side of the Designer shows the area in which the workflow is built. A workflow is a logical sequence of steps that links manual jobs, for example, previewing content, and automated jobs, for example, ingest. You can track the status of your asset in real time to see your asset passing through. The Workflow Designer is very flexible and can be easily changed in line with your business. By increasing automation, you can lower the dependency on manual labor. This will help to drive down your costs. In summary, the Workflow Designer gives you transparency for tracking, speed for efficiency, and flexibility for ease of use. The growth of multi-platform markets means more distribution channels available, and as a result, more opportunities for companies. The ability to deliver to those distribution channels quickly and easily is fundamental. This increases your audience reach and monetizes your content. The picture shows that Mio is platform agnostic. It can deliver to a multitude of platforms including phones, tablets and TV. Mio can translate metadata into a format compliant with these platforms. Mio can publish your content to social platforms including YouTube, Vimeo and Dailymotion. Mio provides cutting-edge player technology, providing a custom look and feel for the end user. Mio is compatible with leading CDN providers such as Akamai. It does not only deliver to web-based platforms, it also serves as broadcast delivery process. Mio is compliant with broadcast standards such as DPP. To report and track on what is going on is a key function of any platform, and Mio is no different. Reporting and tracking gives you visibility to know what's going on in the system, control to react to changes in the system quickly, and accountability so that users can take ownership of their content. Mio is an event-driven system, meaning that anything you do in Mio is logged. You can generate predefined reports in Mio to monitor all activities that are carried out. Notifications can be set up to communicate events in the system via SMS or email. Logs are available in Mio that help to diagnose any issues in the system. Mio has multiple dashboards that present real-time updates of activities. This picture here represents an example of the different types of jobs that are carried out in the system and a summary of them. To sum up, here is a recap of the main benefits of Mio. Total media operations visibility, giving you the control to manage your business KPIs. Driving data from conception to consumption, ensuring your finished product is metadata rich and accessible by your market. Zero CapEx. Mio is deployed in our private cloud right now. That solution requires zero CapEx, meaning you can have an account and be using it tomorrow. Greater supply chain efficiency, making the journey from creation to consumption as short and as profitable as possible. Greater distribution of high-quality content, getting more of your assets to market without compromising on quality. Improving competitiveness and agility. The market is changing quickly. Put yourself in a position to move with it. Lowers operating costs. automating tasks that would otherwise equate to man-hours. Take control of your content. MioEverywhere provides you the tools to take control of your content to maximize your profits.